Hi everyone, good evening. This is Pranita from Vitality Health Clinic. Hope you guys are doing very well and having lovely evening. I'm in my garden and I am so fortunate to have this lovely plums. I don't know if you can see fresh organic plum. I'm gonna have for my dessert as a dessert. Um, Guys, I just wanted to speak to you today about the conference I attended last 2 weeks. I don't know if you do remember. Some of you might know about it. It was about mental health condition and role of functional medicine or integrative medicine. It was hosted by Dr. Kelly Borgen, who is a holistic psychiatrist from America. And what was astonishing, um, my words, surprise. I think it surprise is a very mild word, or even shock is a mild word when it comes to the medications and the effect of medication, which many pharmaceutical company or doctors prescribe us, even with the smallest symptoms of mental health conditions such as depression. Um, I think many of us, at some point of time, either us or our family member, have suffered from some depressive symptoms such as like low mood, uh, not feeling hungry, lethargy, feeling like being isolated from the world, and like if even for this smallest reasons, if some doctors jump to start the medication, prescribe the medication. The thing is, like, I adore and respect doctors. I think, being from medical university, GS Medical College, I have many doctors who are really good friends. But still, um, it's the medication, such as SSRI, or the very common medication for depression is Prozac. Many of you might know so many people who are on Prozac, and that shock. Why the shock was mild word? Because at the conference, this gentleman just stood up and shared his story of how, after being prescribed on the SSRI, Prozac, for few months, how he became suicidal. He was not suicidal, but he became suicidal, and he became so uh, tense about his suicidal ideation. And he was very family oriented, caring man, and he was worried that his son, who had some mild impairment, mild learning impairment, and in that zone of effect of medication which doctor has prescribed him to relieve his depressive symptom, he became someone who took life of his own son. And that was the effect of the medication. Guys, like, any mental health condition or any condition, it's very important to take the condition or take the control in our own hand, rather than directly resorting to to drugs. Because what is drug? What are the drugs? Drugs are just synthetic substance, so they are not natural. And these pharmaceutical companies are not meant to um, to cater for complete well-being of the person. It's mainly cater for well-being of their stakeholder. I know this can sound abrupt, and some people may argue that the medication indeed help them, but there is an effect in medicine called placebo therapy. So the person who is giving the medication, that the patient believes in them so much that anything works, anything works, that they feel that they are relieving their symptoms. So there is a possibility, and there are lots of there are few like factors which influence, cofactor which influence the improvement. um, but if you know anyone who are suffering from mental health condition, or even though they are low in mood, um, it's very common, guys, like just help them to cheer up. mm, Social rather than social isolation, encourage them to join you in party, help them to go out, take a walk with them, support them, because they are not going to come forward and ask for support. So just wanted to share that learning with you, because I think it was very shocking for me to hear that how can one man was not suicidal, became suicidal, family oriented, caring man, took took the life of his own young boy and then handed himself to the police just because of that effect of medication. So how you can change the life of others who are suffering from any depressive symptoms? Can you do something about it? If yes, please comment below, and sharing is caring. Please share this video so that someone else may get benefit from it. This is Pranita from Vitality Health Clinic. Live well and embrace a vital life. Bye bye.